Hello everyone, we will today learn about two Excel functions. First is large and second is small. Hi, I am Saurabh Jain from bi-analytics.org. Let's learn the two functions large and small. So we have this data, salary, and what our objective is to find which is the highest salary, which is the second highest salary, which is the third highest salary. It can be fifth highest, sixth highest also. So let's do is equals to large, large, tab. Now it's a array and k. So array is this and k is the kth position, first position, second position, third position. So I say comma and I put 1. So see, here comes the top value of this data, which was 98,111. Okay. Now if I scroll down, it will give me the second data and it will give the third highest data. See, if I change it to 4, this will give me the fourth highest data. So this is how the large function is used. Similar to this is a smaller function, is equals to small tab. Now I say array, comma, and say, if I say fifth smallest, this will be the fifth smallest. If this is 1, this will give the first smallest number, which is 41,000. So this is the number. Same way, we can just drag down to find second and third positions. See, if I do it fifth, so this will give me the fifth position. So this was about large and small function in Excel. And see, if I want to identify is equals to small fourth, so I'll just do this again and say comma 4. And here comes the smallest fourth value. So remember one thing, large is like the position based on descending order, which is highest to least value, and small is used for the positions based on ascending order. Hope you like this video. If you like it, consider subscribing, liking and comment the video as well. Thank you very much.